In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I made $600,000 in affiliate commissions from just one software. And after hearing my strategies, you can decide if you wanna do the same. This software company even paid for my brand new Lexus as a bonus. And I got a couple of these cool steering wheel trophies. My name is Rachel S. Lee, and on this channel, you can find all things making money online. So if you're into that kind of stuff and you want the YouTube algorithm to show you more of this kind of stuff, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So let's first talk about this software company and what their offers are. The company is called Clickfunnels, and it's a sales funnel software, or it can be described as a website software. Its main function is to collect leads, such as emails, and to sell your offers and sell upsells. When you make over $1 million with Clickfunnels, you get one of these trophies, which is a 2 Comma Club plaque. Clickfunnels typically pays 40% commissions on almost all of their offers. Their most popular offer is the $97 a month software plan, so your commission would be $38 a month. And there's also an upgraded version, which is $297 a month, so your commission is $118 a month every single month. They also have a yearly plan for $997 and $2,997. And there's a few other high ticket packages that they have too. A lot of these packages are always for sale, and other packages they have launches with. So if you're an affiliate and you take part in a launch, you can make even more commissions. And once you get 100 customers signed up under you as an affiliate, they give you a bonus of $500 a month to use for your dream car. And when you get to 200 customers, they give you an extra $1,000 a month. And of course, you can pick up your trophy on stage at Funnel Hacking Live, which is their yearly conference. So my first main traffic source that I want to talk about when it comes to getting signups for this software is right here on YouTube. On YouTube, I've made multiple videos about Clickfunnels, about sales funnels, about getting more emails, about selling your products online. So these are different trainings, tutorials, and review videos. I have a bunch of videos and multiple playlists. Some say the name Clickfunnels in the video and some don't. Some of these videos are a few years old, but they still get me traffic today. And then other videos I already took down because the information really wasn't relevant or up to date anymore. But if you're using YouTube as a strategy to get signups for any software, it's not that you have to make videos non-stop about it. Videos you create today can get traffic 5 years from now. What I love about YouTube is a bunch of things. Number one, it's a very powerful search engine. People are searching every day on YouTube for information and asking questions, typing in the search bar. Also, when people search on Google, YouTube videos often show up at the very top. And YouTube videos do not take a long time to rank in the Google algorithm like blog posts do. YouTube is also a social media platform. You can get subscribers, your video can be recommended on the YouTube browse page. People are scrolling all the time for hours and hours just watching videos. So for example, with this video, someone might not necessarily be searching how I made $600,000 in commissions, but the title is kind of clickbaity. I mean, it is true, but it has that curiosity aspect to it. So when it comes to promoting different affiliate offers, I like to make a variety. Some are focused on search and some are focused on social. You don't have to have your face on camera when it comes to making YouTube videos. You could make faceless videos, but I do find that having your face on the screen can help build that know, like, and trust factor. Let's say someone wants to sign up for Clickfunnels, but they're not ready today, but they're ready a few months from now. Hopefully they'll remember me from my YouTube videos and feel like I gave them value, so they'll want to come back and find my affiliate link that's in the description of my videos. People will also message me on Facebook or email me asking me to use my affiliate link. And if you want to turn your YouTube video into a blog post, that's a great idea also. You can extract the subtitles and turn it into a WordPress blog post, and you can embed your YouTube video in that blog post. There's a bunch more strategies when it comes to ranking your YouTube videos and getting the most views and conversions from your YouTube videos. And I have other free trainings about that on my YouTube channel, so make sure you're subscribed. So the second way that I made good money with Clickfunnels is by using Facebook. I built up an audience on my personal Facebook page through adding people as friends, accepting friend requests, turning on the feature where people can follow me on Facebook. I make sure to have my posts on Facebook mostly be public, and I've made Facebook posts about Clickfunnels. I've also ran various Facebook groups, and I had posts in the Facebook groups, videos in the Facebook groups, live streams. I did put all my Facebook groups on pause this past year. I just wanted a break. But Facebook groups are a great way to collect email addresses. When people request to join your private group, one of the questions can be, what is your email address? I probably won't revive my old Facebook groups, but I might make a new one in the future. But for now, I'm just sticking with my personal Facebook page, making sure to do posts. I put reels on the Facebook. Sometimes I post to the stories. People message me on Facebook and I answer their questions. And I post my YouTube videos on Facebook so I can send my Facebook traffic over to YouTube. My most popular YouTube video at the moment is actually how to monetize Facebook groups, and everything I share in that video is still relevant today. So check in the description box for a link to that video. The third way that I built up my Clickfunnels affiliate commissions is through paid traffic with Google Ads. So I ran Google Ads for various keywords: sales funnel software, best sales funnel software, landing page software, and the actual word ClickFunnels. Now you can't run Google traffic to the keyword ClickFunnels anymore, it's against their terms. But back in the day, it was very profitable, and I'm still making commissions from that. You can, however, run Google traffic for other keywords and long tail keywords. At the moment, I don't have any Google Ads currently running, but I do plan to get back into it. I just need to brush up on my training. I originally learned how to run Google Ads through Spencer Meekum's course called Affiliate Secrets. He's been my best affiliate marketing mentor. But this was a few years ago, and I need to brush up. So I actually need to log into my Affiliate Secrets training and watch his new Google Ad training. And I plan to run Google Ads for other softwares and other offers. The Affiliate Secrets 3.0 course from Spencer Meekum, I believe, is the best affiliate marketing course out there. It's produced dozens and dozens of dream car winners just like me. So I'll include my link to get his course in the description below, and I'll include a link to his free training. So if you want to watch the free training first, it will give you a really good overview of how you can maximize your affiliate commissions. The fourth way that I built up my affiliate commissions with ClickFunnels is by recommending it in my free trainings and in my paid trainings, paid programs, paid courses. A great way to get signups is by using the share funnels feature. So what this is you can create a really amazing funnel or simple funnel and have a special link where people can import that funnel right into their account. And if they don't have an account, it will prompt them to sign up for an account. And this tracks the new customers to your affiliate link. So in my free trainings and my paid trainings, I would have various share funnels and just in-depth trainings on how to use the software. By having these added tutorials in my programs, it also helped my stick rate, because someone can sign up for a free trial and then pay for 1 month but then cancel the software, and you don't want that. You want them to stay a customer for years to come, and then you get paid for years to come. So by me sharing funnels with them and advanced trainings and strategies, it helped people to stick with the software because they were actually benefiting from the software. I also made sure to recommend other softwares and programs that I use in these trainings, and ConvertKit is also a big one that I always talk about, which is the email marketing software that I personally use. So speaking of email, that is the fifth way that I drove and continue to drive traffic to the affiliate offers that I promote. When it comes to email marketing, I do broadcasts, which are one-time email blasts, and I have automated sequences. So when someone enters their email, they get a sequence of emails for days to come. I also participated in the launches that ClickFunnels has. So every few seasons, they have a new launch, which is something you can promote. And what's cool about launches is that there's a start date and an end date. And by having that period of time that you promote a special offer, there's that deadline, so you get more signups because of the sense of urgency. So when I participate in these launches, I also make sure to add bonuses. If people sign up for the offer with my link, they get special bonuses from me. When there's launches, there's a bunch of affiliates promoting, and it's kind of like bonus wars. People are looking to buy from the person that's gonna give the best bonuses. And oftentimes in my bonuses, I give out email swipes. Email swipes are just copy and paste emails that other people can use. This past year, I really took a break from actively promoting affiliate offers. I just wanted a break and wasn't focused on it. But I still was getting paid passive income, and I was still getting new signups from content I created in the past, especially with YouTube traffic. So now that I'm back in the game, my strategy is to continue to make YouTube videos, to continue to email my list and participate in launches, and I'm building up my list and driving traffic through short videos such as TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. I might still hold off on the Facebook groups, and I would like to get some Google Ads running. So I'll update you here when I start doing that. Things change, the internet changes, social media changes. So I personally am brushing up on my skills by watching and rewatching trainings that are in Affiliate Secrets 3.0. I actually just finished watching all the TikTok trainings in there, implemented what I learned, and I'm at almost 500,000 views for one video, and took my TikTok account from 155 followers to over 16,000 followers over this past weekend. So I'm super motivated about that. I'm excited to keep going and share my progress with you. And if you want to join me on this journey, be sure to check out that free training that I have from Spencer in the description box of this video. Be on the lookout for my future videos where I'm going to be talking more about affiliate marketing, YouTube, TikTok, working from home, and making money online. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.